Wala naman eh, wala pala kayong bayag eh. Magpaparinig kayo, dapat may pang ano kayo. Gigigil nyo ako eh. Tagal kasi ng fine match ko. Magkwento ka na lang, we. Anong kwentuhan ba? O sige, magkwento tayo. Nagpa-party na lang ako. Hindi na lang ako mag-ano, sugal. Party na lang. Which hero do you love to play? I only love my girlfriend, bro. No other else. I enjoy playing all heroes. Gi-invite juga matula sa FLR. Option tol, option day. If dili mo, kunwari, yung dalawang nag-conflict, may aalis ata doon, pwede ako. Pero si Coco pa rin, si Coco akong pilion doy. Wala ba guys? Wala ba? Baka naman eh. Baka naman eh. Solid kayo. Tagal pa ng fine match ko. Kwentuhan. Ang kwento ko is yes, bootcamp na. Bootcamp kills is good rin. Kamusta work ethics nyo dyan? So far no pressure naman. Antayin nyo lang guys, may podcast yung ano, yung TNC mismo. Pero so far, yung work ethics, ano lang, kunwari, ngayon, no pressure kami. Kung ano yung nilalaro namin na wala kaming team na free will, like freedom. Pero may scrim nga lang, magkakasabay kami. After nun, libre ka na. Pero nasa iyo pa rin yan, paano mo ibabalance yung pagiging pro player mo. Pro player ka na ngayon eh, kasi nga, di ka na streamer eh. Kunwari ako eh, paano kayo mababalance yung pagiging pro player and streamer, ganun. Kumbaga, walang obstacles na inihigpit yung TNC. Basta iingatan nyo lang pangalan nila. At the same time, nagpo-provide sila sa bootcamp. Ayos ba sagot natin, guys? Pro player plus streamer equals dollars, dollars, money, money. Hindi ito eh, kasi nga ito eh. Wala nga kaming sahod. Pro player kami, guys, pero dito sa usapan namin, wala kaming contract. Shake hands lang ni Sir Eric. Nakasupport lang TNC. Yes, kasi Pinoy. Pag-usapang Pinoy lineup, guys, TNC ang pinaka ano, committed. Why would you ask if you could meet anyone in the world alive or deceased? Deceased, ano, hindi ko naman. I think, my lola. Ano ba yan? Yung tanong na yan, parang ano eh, nakaka-emotions eh. Yung lola ko. Pag if you go, if you qualify to Riyadh or sure contract, yun, depends. Because right now we don't have assurance. As long as we play good, then maybe good future will come. But right now we just wanna do our best and let the result like, you know, ilabas ang result. Uy, andito si Antidotes. Hello, Antidotes. Ito ba yung sa ano? Kilabon? Lumilipat na yung mga kalahok ka. Oh, sila mo Discord ko kung may ka-Discord ba ako. Oh, si ano yan, sila Boss Bong, girlfriend ko na Discord. ASL, Kuko, Mac. Spy ako ni Mac eh. Ano daw FB ni ko? Ano yung Zesty? Paano ka nagtitikol? Bastos naman yan. Wala guys. Wala kami nun. Uuwi kami. Uuwi kami sa mga mahal namin sa buhay. Ipon lang muna. Pag uwi, kanyon. Ah, ah. Nakikita mo ba, we, mga sablay na nagalawan mo, we point out sa'yo sa post-game analysis. Mga ganun guys, overall lang yun. Hindi naman dahil sa isang, kunwari, naglalaro kayo, nag-gank ka, tas natalo kayo. Hindi naman dahil dun yung reason ba't na kayo natalo sa isang gank lang. Yung conclusion dun. Kunwari, ba't ka nag-gank? Or ba't mo pa siya igagank? Yung mga ganun na tanungan. Sagot ng TNC yung foods. Pero minsan sinasagot rin ni Coco kasi nga nagsasayang lang siya ng barya. Wala nang iba. How do you balance streaming with other aspects of your life, such as work, school, or family? I don't have work. I don't have school. I don't study. I like literally like paperwork, something like that, or like academic. Family is like just one update, like how are you? One call is fine. I can do that in my free time pag tapos na ako or like before start of the game. My loved ones, my girlfriend, and what's the other one? What's the other question? Life. Life is easy because this is my life playing Dota. So there's no problem. Our scrim right now is not good. Good. We got we got 0-2. Two wins by opponent, zero for us. But this is the first time we got 0-2. But the good thing there is we learn. Our scrim so far is good. Like it's like in MMR guys, like there's a plus 40 and plus 10 only. Maybe we always get plus 5. How do you deal with pressure or stressful situations? Pressure is normal when you're competing. Like if you're being a competitive, the pressure is there. The stressful is easy. You turn it, gawin mong gasolina. You convert stressful, you convert it into how do I say this? Excitement. Because stressful is bad. You let it out. What advice would you give someone who is just starting out as a streamer kick? Just do your thing, bro. But don't rush it out. If you see like right now you feel like oh my god I'm streaming constantly or grinding but there's no effect. I mean there like kunwari walang viewers ganun. It will result soon, not now. Someday. Just do your thing. Weh, pag naglaro ka ba tas yung sinampay sa kwarto na panis, anong masasabi mo dun? Ano yung pinagsasabo mo? Isa pa kang let it out. Hindi mo let it out. Uy, may multo doon sa CR dito, day. Wala naman, di ba? May- may- Yung damit ko nga, G!